The Concept of Law by Professor Hart. Students of jurisprudence will be familiar with this book as one of the core readings in modern jurisprudential literature. Professor Hart asserts that there are three recurrent issues in jurisprudence, and he sets out to consider each of these in his book. The first part of the book deals with the extent to which law is related to coercion. Most of us would instinctively acknowledge that there is something about the law that involves the coercive power of the state and the imposition of sanctions. But do all laws impose sanctions? Here, Hart criticizes the 19th century command theory of John Austin. Austin had defined law as the command of the sovereign. To describe it loosely, every order backed by sanctions issued by a sovereign legislature is a law in the strict sense. Hart demonstrates the flaws in the command theory. From the failures of the command theory, he then constructs his own view of law as an affair of rules. Hart demonstrates that at the core of every legal system, there is a union of primary rules and secondary rules such as the rule of recognition, the rule of change, and the rule of adjudication. The third major concern in the book is the extent to which law is related to morality. Hart, as a positivist, is critical of the fusion of law and morality inherent in natural law. Most importantly, legal validity is not dependent on morality. However, he makes an important concession to natural law in the form of the minimum content of natural law. And that is an overview of the concept of law.